Halle is meeting
So this is my
Griselda,
cousin.
Shanta's
She plays the
cousin.
violin. Wow. And she's studying to be a doctor.
Wow,
Her name is
sana all.
Shanta. She's studying in Suleiman University. Suleimanians.
Alright, Halle, you're gonna ride a pedicab.
Wow.
It's the main mode of transport in
Where's the
Carigara.
second one, Halle? Because it's
Mode of transport.
where?
Oh. You're gonna ride on that little bike thing.
With someone?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's go, Halle.
Which one?
The second one. Alright, Halle's riding a tricycle. Yeah, pedicab. Oh, mag-English ka mo, kuya. Mag-English. Sige daw.
I'll stay at the back. Basically from the
You ride with Auntie Halle? Auntie got the back.
Yana's still here.
Yeah, I will be behind.
Oh, there you go. Oh, he speaks English, Halle.
Huh?
He speaks English.
Where you came from?
Australia.
It's okay.
Ano pa?
So I'll stay behind. How old are you?
18.
Ikaw.
51.
51?
Yeah.
He's 51 years old. Yeah. Mau pa yan ni mo chora. Oh,
Which are you?
bisa 51. Okay, let's go. Nitro kids! Woohoo! Go with Halle! Ano mo moy?
Salamat,
Kaya kami artista.
So we're going to Pantalan, or the boulevard here in Carigara. It's probably the best sort of natural wonder here in Carigara. Diba? Natural wonder of Leyte, the boulevard. Yeah, well that's the same place.
No, it's not. Pantalan is going there. Boulevard
Pantalan is at
this
the
way.
boulevard.
Oh my gosh, I look so ugly in your video.
So we're going to the boulevard where there is Pantalan, the jetty. The ocean, Halle. It's the boulevard. This is Pantalan, the jetty. Smells like fish. Wet market. Hello. Hello. Opang kulop. Lasad, dida. Sa balay. Alright, Halle, so this is called the Great Wall of Leyte. They built it to stop like tidal waves coming in when it's a big typhoon. Yeah. So we're gonna go have a walk on it. Let's go. Hey, what's up? Adi, Uncle Nano and Nitro. You wanna walk? You wanna walk? Yeah, come on, walk with Daddy. Walk with Daddy. Daddy, hold your hand. Daddy, hold your hand. Come on, come on. It's fun. You're a little baby. Papa baby.
You try to walk.
So this is the edge of the Great Wall of Leyte. They're still building it. It's still ongoing.
It's gonna be windy.
It's going to be very windy. So this is to stop waves going and hitting the mainland and destroying
They made
everything.
this because of Typhoon
Yolanda.
Yolanda, yeah.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, I look so dark in your video.
I'm too white.
Because next to Halle. She's shining into the sun.
Exercise.
Go Nitro! Halle, how was your first time riding a pedicab? It was nice.
You're being nice. Sana all.
Alright guys, we're gonna go see Papa ni Shanta. Ayan. So, Halle, we got to meet Papa. Yay! Tara na. This beautiful life. It's Lolo. Hey, Pa! Kamusta? It's Papa. Kamusta, Pa?
Hey,
Ano yun akong bugto? Akong bugto, tikang Australia.
kita ko sa video.
I saw you in the video.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? He looks so much like Shanta.
He looks like, hey?
Watch you.
Does he? Hello, Auntie. Yeah. He's back in. Oh, it's Lolo. Nitro, it's Lolo. It's your
How do
Lolo.
you feel in the Philippines?
It's good. It's very hot. But I love it. It's so nice.
Yes.
It's very different. But yeah, I love it.
Good, you've seen our place. We are poor.
Sorry. It's nice. It's nice.
Mas mopay daw ko nung balay ni nanay.
There's so many dogs there.
I know. But this house is nice.
How old are you?
Tagnaan daw.
16.
Older?
17, 18, you know.
18, yeah, 18.
You can see our
Thanks a lot.
Sarah.
It's Christmas every day here.
Years there. We do not take it out.
You don't take out the Christmas decorations? It's Christmas, Nitro. It's Christmas at Lolo's house. Look, it's Christmas. Look, it's Shanta. Nung maganda pa siya.
Pakita mo ngayon. Hoy, yung mga nagsasabi dyan na mataba ako, hindi ako mataba. Akala nyo lang yun, pero magkita muna tayo in person bago nyo sabihin mataba.
Hindi ka man mataba.
Botete lang.
Botete lang lawas.
Where were you going?
Oh, Nitro. Jump trampoline. Oh. Jumping, jumping. Oh.
Camping.
So Shanta's dad used to work for the government, but he's retired now. What was your dad's job? Anong niyo matrabaho pa? Anong trabaho?
He's an agriculturist.
He's an agriculturist. You're a retired man.
Agriculturist.
Oh, what's that? Actually, a big pig. It's a big pig, Nacho. Whoa, it's a big pig. Yeah, pigs stink, don't they?
Smell good.
Is it actually for lechon?
It's already big.
Are you gonna kill it?
Yes. The one who for lechon is smaller than this. This is already big.
It's too big now.
It's about 65 kilos. The lechon is good only for 40 kilos. Yeah. Smaller one.
So he's gonna have it breed, make
Yes.
more pigs.
Yeah, this is bred by the same girl.